The next generation of Samsung Galaxy flagship is here in India. I have with me the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra loaded to the brim with the top of the line specifications. But that's not all. I also have the S25 Plus and the very handy S25. Now, all of these phones have been launched in India. Let me give you a quick look of what they offer in terms of specifications and what you get with AI in all of these phones. The most talked about of these three phones is this one, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, in terms of the design, there are a lot of similarities with the S24 Ultra. However, this one is lighter at 218 grams. The Ultra also comes with protection for its display with Gorilla Glass Armor 2, and it also has DX anti-reflective glass, which will help in brighter conditions. The S25 Ultra is slimmer and lighter and has good hands feel. Just according to the rumors, the edges are rounded and the S Pen slot is slightly towards the edge of the device. On the rear, you have this camera system that resembles the Z Fold 6 design philosophy, and I like it a lot. Yes, it kind of looks polished, but I wouldn't say it's new and is quite similar to the design philosophy of the S24 Ultra. Rest, you get a 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display on the S25 Ultra and also more brightness this time around. All three phones come with Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset inside and Samsung's own AI features, which the company says they have collaborated with the chipset manufacturers to make more intuitive for users. We will test out these AI features in our full review, like this one, the AI Select feature, which I have triggered using the S Pen. The S25 Ultra comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage in the base variant, while the 25 series comes with 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB base variant. Both the phones come with Android 15 out of the box, and you also get One UI 7. The good thing is that Samsung is offering 7 years of security and OS updates with all of these devices. Samsung also says that all of the user data that the AI uses will be protected within the device behind Knox security. All of these phones come with gaming specific features, and the S25 Ultra also adds vapor chamber cooling for better gaming performance. One of the biggest changes in the Ultra rear camera is this 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor that can also double up as a macro shooter. On the front, you get this 12 megapixel camera that is good enough. The rest of the camera setup is quite similar to the previous series. However, we will get you a full review of the device and what the camera system offers on Fiiber. The battery for the S25 Ultra is clocked at 5000 mAh and also comes with better wireless charging this time around. Both the S25 Plus and the S25 are more compact devices, and for those who like performance but in a better compact form factor. Rest, the build quality is quite good, and we will reserve our final judgment for the full review. Stay tuned to Fiiber for a full review of all of these devices, as we'll be getting you all of the AI features and what these smartphones offer to the end user. This was a quick roundup of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and also the S25 series. Let us know in the comment section what you think about these flagship devices, and for any questions or queries you have around these devices, please let us know. And for more tech, keep following Fiiber.